was after your time.
Voldemort is my past, present,
Yes.